Hey friends, welcome to English Smart Practice. We've got a great story to help you learn real English naturally.
First, listen and enjoy the story. Then, we'll explain the most useful words and phrases. Let's begin.
Story. In my grandmother's house, there was an old clock standing in the hallway. It was tall, wooden, and always ticking. But here's the strange part. No one had ever seen it being wound, and yet it never stopped. As a child, I was afraid of it. The clock's face looked like eyes staring at me, and the sound of tick-tock, tick-tock filled the house, even at night. One evening, I asked my grandmother about it. She smiled and said softly, "That clock doesn't count hours. It keeps secrets." Her answer gave me chills. That night, I stayed awake, listening. At midnight, the ticking suddenly stopped. The silence was heavy, almost alive. Then very slowly, the clock struck 13 times instead of 12. I held my breath. The hallway felt colder, and for a moment, I thought I saw a shadow move behind the clock. The next morning, when I asked my grandmother again, she didn't smile this time. She just looked at me and whispered, "If you heard the 13th strike, then the clock has already chosen you." She never explained what she meant, and then she turned away without saying another word.
Words and phrases. Hallway. A long passage inside a building that connects rooms. People walk through it to go from one room to another. Example, I left my shoes in the hallway. Ticking. The small tick-tock sound that a clock makes again and again as time passes. Example, the room was silent except for the ticking of a watch. Afraid of. Feeling fear, worry, or discomfort about something. Example, she was afraid of the dark. Staring at. Looking at something or someone for a long time without stopping, usually with focus or surprise. Example, she was staring at the painting for minutes. Chills. A sudden cold feeling on your skin, often because of fear, nervousness, or excitement. Example, the scary story gave me chills. Stay awake. To keep yourself from sleeping, even if you are tired or it is night. Example, I stayed awake all night to finish my homework. Whisper. To speak very softly so that only someone very near can hear you, often to keep something secret. Example, she whispered the secret to her friend. Turn away. To move your face or body to the other side, not looking at something. Example, she turned away without saying a word.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.